goodness.
Wow. Hello, I'm PC Makeover, back at it again with another reaction. Guys, I'm here with
The perseverance, guys.
we've got Jansen singing Adagio. I so want to check this out because you guys have been recommending Adagio, Jansen, Adagio, and I just want to see what she got for us. We have reacted to it by Lara Fabian and it was incredible. So we just want to see Jansen cover. So without further ado, let's get started.
She got a lovely voice.
Guys, Jansen is so nice. Like the way she's singing this song, like she's just making it a different piece altogether. She's just so extraordinary, and her cover of this song is beautiful. It's different, and I love it. This is unusual. Jansen just have her own style of making everything look different, and she brings out her own piece in every song she sings. She just make it hers, and she changes everything and make you love it more. This is incredible. I love her style, I love her talent, and I love the way she sang this. How's it for you?
In a scale of 0 to 10, our scale is 10 over 10, guys. This is really beautiful. I love her voice. It's really exceptional. I love how she like sang it. I kind of like go to goosebumps at first. It is really interesting for me. I love how she like control her voice, the way to feel the pitch of her voice when she was singing. I don't know how the way she was singing it. It's really lovely. I love Jansen. I love her music, and this cover from her, it's really good. Like I freaking enjoy it. I was not expecting this. I never expected anything like that. I was not expecting like such passion in her eyes, such, how should I use, much love, guys. It's really good, and the lyrics is really fantastic, and she really display and express herself while singing it. It feels like I'm watching a movie because she's explaining the video for me. Like she's kind of like explaining the story by her expression for me, and also singing it. It's really lovely. So let's keep on watching and see more. Much love. I love it. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I love the way she's expressing it. I love it. Guys, do you feel that? Do you feel that? Oh my goodness, this woman is incredible. Like it's privilege and honor for us to discover this lady. Like, she's really incredible. Flo Jansen. Like, I don't have much words to describe her, guys. I don't just know how I'm going to describe. She's extraordinary. She's exceptional. She's incredible. She's incomparable, guys. You can't just compare her to any other artist. Like, it's kind of like disrespect to her because this is really fantastic over here, guys. I love her passion for it. Like, she took this personal.
Yeah.
This sounds like the cover. Like, this sounds like the original music. Like, it was really, really good. I love the way she took this so personal. She made it more better for herself, guys. She made it like, this is my music. That is how she felt it. She connected to the music and she expressed it in a beautiful way, guys. I love this music. I love how she expressed it, guys. We gotta watch this again the second time. When her, guys, just playing Flo Jansen is kind of like, I can't do that. I can't explain how enough, guys. I just can't explain how music speaks for itself, guys.
Yeah.
The music speaks for itself. You just need to listen to it and watch this. This is really, really fantastic. I enjoyed myself. Like from the start to the end, guys, was fantastic for me, guys. How was this for you?
It was incredible. Like, when she started, she was just going cool. Then you see the way she was just using her voice control to make it different, make it something else, something so beautiful. She just owned the song and created her own vibe, created her own piece out of the Adagio. I love the lyrics of this song, it's incredible. But Flo Jansen, she did a wonderful job. This was terrific. It was so incredible. Wow. I just love her style. She's so interesting. Like, she just add a lot of effort and a lot of talent and make everything look so beautiful. This is so captivating. I enjoyed every bit of it. Wow, when she just started doing her voice, pitching it and just voice control, it was so nice. Like, I just couldn't get my eyes off. I was like, really?
Really good.
I was
really
speechless for a while because this is wonderful. This is a beautiful piece altogether. Like, wow, Flo Jansen, she just gave me something different from what she normally does. This is just another piece entirely.
She's not only beautiful, she's breathtaking. Like, the way her voice song, guys, she's really good. You can't deny it. Like, unless you don't have heart, unless you're a wicked person. This is music on another level, guys. This is really good. Like, she just made my day for me right here, guys.
Yeah,
It's just really fantastic.
Brought this one feeling to me.
Yeah,
she did a good job right here, guys. Thank you so much for recommending me constantly because you are so right. Her piece right here is so interesting. Like,
really good,
exceptional. This is a good and interesting piece. This is so great, guys. So guys, please let us know what you think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please ensure to like, subscribe and share this video. We'll see you on the next one.